All right, so I'm up here on the roof, and what we can see is, you see this fiberglass showing through the sparkles on the roof. That does show that it's the end of its life, but what the main thing that I'm looking at is venting, because obviously the shingles are at the end of their lives from, or life expectancy from its condition, and there's some broken and missing shingle pieces and what have you. What we have is different heights in the roof line, and this whole attic space is open to each other right here, that part, this part, and this part, and it needs to be vented separately because otherwise you'll have air come in at these vents to exit up here, and you'll end up with dead pockets of air not flowing through the attic. And there's lots of bird block intake vents throughout the edge of the roof. So all we'd have to do is we could change this to a ridge vent coming across here. And with the ridge vent, there would be ice and water sealed in a couple of feet here. And then ridge vent going through there and getting rid of these turtle vents, the AF50s here. And then going in the attic, we would separate the space that's from where I'm standing with plastic. Just like a 6 mil plastic stapled up onto the truss, or the trusses, so that it goes down, and that way the air that comes in here exhausts here and doesn't go up to the next one. And then that front section there, we would do the exact same thing with it. Plastic on the inside, the air that comes up on both sides there would exhaust through a ridge vent there. I'll do the math and see what the best kind of vent is here, see if the 3 AF50s will allow enough air. That's 150 square inches of net-free area. Not a whole lot, since it takes 144 square inches to equal a square foot, but I'll do some math and see what that comes out to. And then that section down there is separate, so that can be vented with a ridge vent down there and have plenty of airflow going through it, and it will make a difference to what the main structure up here is like.